Hey everyone, it's Dr. Matt, and today we're going to be talking about diaphragmatic breathing. So let's get right into it. Now, what is diaphragmatic breathing? Essentially, I like to break down diaphragmatic breathing as belly breathing, or more so, breathing with purpose. And essentially, what this process is all about is teaching your diaphragm to be effectively utilized when you're taking air in, as well as expelling carbon dioxide out. Now, you might be thinking, why is this important? Well, I'll tell you why. When we compare diaphragmatic breathing to chest breathing, and chest breathing looks like this, bringing those shoulders up, bringing those shoulders down. But essentially, when we compare the two, diaphragmatic breathing with chest breathing, you're getting a lot more good quality air into your system with diaphragmatic breathing in comparison to chest breathing. Now, when we perform diaphragmatic breathing, essentially you're effectively using your diaphragm to take in air and expel air. And when you are effectively using your diaphragm, you're actually engaging your vagus nerve to kick in. And your vagus nerve is responsible for your body to go into quote unquote relaxation mode. Or in other words, it helps your body, it helps your nervous system go into the parasympathetic nervous state. Of course, the benefits don't stop there. At the end of the day, diaphragmatic breathing can also help with stress and pain management. Diving a little bit deeper into stress management and pain management, diaphragmatic breathing has been shown to bring down, first of all, the stress hormone in your system, which is cortisol. It's been shown to help decrease levels of cortisol within your system. Another thing that diaphragmatic breathing has been shown to help is reduce overall blood pressure, as well as bring down your overall heart rate. And again, that makes sense. Diaphragmatic breathing is mindful breathing. You have to think about it, right? Of course, when we are anxious or when we're nervous, we're taking a lot more faster, shallow breaths. And of course, when we take faster, shallow breaths, we're not getting as much oxygen into our system. Of course, our heart rate is going to have to go faster, right? For adequate oxygen to get to where it needs to get to. So in summation, I'm going to have a list right around here talking about all the benefits of what diaphragmatic breathing can offer you. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's hop right into that. So I'm going to show you two variations to how to perform diaphragmatic breathing. We'll start with the seated variation, and then we'll start with the variation while you're lying on your back. So what you're going to do, and I'm going to show you with a side profile here, but essentially you're going to take one hand and you're going to put it on top of your chest just like this. You're going to take the other hand, and what you do is you're going to find your belly button. Now that you found your belly button, you want to take the palm of your hand and put it just above that belly button. So what's going on now is your hand is on top of your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is resting right over here. So what you're going to do with your nose, you're going to take air in while letting your belly inflate. And then with your mouth, you're going to let all the air out, and you're going to let your belly deflate. So it's going to look a little like this. So when you perform diaphragmatic breathing, you want to make sure that you're slowly breathing in. You almost want to pretend that you're smelling a fresh pizza that came out of the oven, or just any delightful smell that you can think of, and you're really just kind of savoring the moment. You're slowly sniffing, you're taking that air in, and then when you blow out, you want all that air to slowly come out. You don't want to do any like big breaths. Again, it's mindful. Slowly bring air in, slowly let the air out. Just like this. And you can see that my belly started to inflate and deflate as I perform this exercise. Okay, and now we're going to do the second variation, and essentially it's the same thing while you're doing it seated, however, you're doing it lying down. Hand on top of your chest just like this. Other hand, you're going to locate your belly button and put the palm of your hand just above that. Now again, it's resting on your diaphragm. It's going to be the same idea. You're going to have your belly inflate with the breath in, and then with the breath out, your belly will deflate. Just like this. Air in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. The big takeaway from this video is relax and breathe. Reason why I say that is life can be very fast-paced. There's so many different environmental stressors out there, whether it be work-related, family-related, personal stuff, whatever the case may be. But stress is unavoidable. So, with that being said, take the time for yourself and breathe, relax. Everything's going to be great. Thank you so much for watching.